Alright, section 9-1, surface area of prisms and cylinders. Okay, can anybody tell me the difference between the volume of this and the surface area of this? Not in numbers, but in words. Good. Volume is the inside, like you could fill this with water or sand or something like that, and the surface is the outside. The surface is the amount of plastic it would take to make the outer shell. Okay? These are two-dimensional figures. They are all flat. It's called surface area. It's being marked as centimeters or meters or whatever square. Okay, now we have two different ways to do this. We're going to do by the formula. You could count up how many surfaces are on this one. 5 surfaces, and when you put them all together, you get that triangular prism. Okay, but we're going to do it just by using the base. That's why I showed you that song. It's all about the base. Okay, if you know the perimeter, or the area of the base, then all you have to do is put it into the formula in the right places. So, let's get that part down, and we'll do it by the regular formulas first, and then I'll show you another way that some of you might like. But first thing you need to know is like the prism that I just showed you, what all the parts are. The bases are not the bottom. The bases are the shapes that are defined the same the whole way through. It defines the shape or the prism or the figure for you. So this is a triangular base. This is a circular base or a cylinder. Okay? It's literally all about the base. And anything that's not a base is called a lateral face or a lateral area. Any face that is not the base. Okay, so the blue parts here are the bases, and the lateral parts are the parts that go all the way around. Any side that's not a base is called lateral. And then you have the two different kinds of areas. There's lateral area, and then there is total surface area. The lateral area is the area of all the sides that go around it in between the two bases. So it's the total sum of all the lateral bases. In other words, you add up the area of everything except for the bases. So in this case right here, I drew all these areas for you, 24, 30, 18, 6, and 3. Which ones are called the lateral parts? You know what? Let me ask that this way. Which ones are the bases? Which ones are the bases? 6. Good. This one's a base 6. This one's a base 6. So the lateral parts are everything not the bases. So take the bases away, and what are the lateral parts? No, the 6s are the bases. The lateral part is everything but the bases. So take the bases away. What's a lateral part there? Okay, guys. Get that a little bit. Look up here. There are 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're right here right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts here. And these 2 are the bases of the triangles. And these are the other parts. 6s are the bases. The laterals is everything that's not a base. So what are my lateral pieces here? 18, 30, and 24. Yep. The parts that are not the base. So for the lateral area, you add up just those parts. 18 plus 30 plus 24. And your lateral area would be 72. Your total surface area would be the surface area of everything, including the bases. So that's all there. The only difference is that when they say the word lateral, they mean don't count the bases. When they say total surface area, they mean count them all. So that would be 6, 18, 30, 24, and 6. That would be all of them together, and you would get 80. The lateral part plus the 2 bases is the total surface area of 84. That's the definitions. That's what it means. can use one formula that works for everything, choose to, or you could use just that separate formula for the cylinders. Some people like to do it that way. That's fine. Alright, so as soon as you're done writing this down, look down at the bottom and look at the shapes you have. We're going to be talking about just the outer pieces. And some of you probably learned in younger grades that you just find all the different 5 sides and you just add them all up together. And that's okay, that's fine. Some people still do it that way. But as we get more advanced, we'll just have formulas that work for everything. Is anyone still ready? Alright. So, in these formulas here, it is literally all about the base, okay? Area and perimeter. Find the area of that base, find the perimeter of that base, and put it into the formula. So for prisms, anything that doesn't go up to a tiny little point like a pyramid does, it's a prism. The ones with circle bases are the cylinders. Copy this formula down, but as we do these formulas, capital B stands for base area, just like all of last week. Capital P stands for base perimeter around the base. And they use a capital C for circumference around a circle, but P and C mean the same thing. It's the distance around. You use a C for circumference of a circle, you use a P when it's not a circle, but it means the same thing. You go around the base by the distance around. Alright, so lateral area is going to be the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Let's see. So the lateral area is everything besides the bases. How many bases do you see on a prism? 2 of them. In this case, top and bottom. In this case, front and back. Because that was 2 bases. So to find the total surface area, you're going to do the lateral area, perimeter times height. So you're going to add in your 2 bases. And what is that capital B? It depends on the shape of the bases. You're going to calculate it, and you're going to plug it into the formula. So basically, the lateral is you find the distance around the base and you multiply by the height of the figure. For surface area, you do the same thing, but you add in your 2 bases. For cylinders, you can do the same thing, except instead of perimeter, it's called what? When it's a circular base, we don't use the word perimeter, we use the word circumference. Good. So it's the circumference times the height. The circumference for a circle is 2 pi r, so some people just go ahead and plug that in. You can use either one you want. But then what do we need to include for total surface area? Lateral, the LA is lateral, that's just the part that wraps around. What do we have to include when we do the total surface area? What do we need to include? Alright. What's the difference between lateral area and surface area? Lateral has no bases, that's right. So we just said lateral area. What do I need to include then if I'm going to do total surface area? Include the bases. Include the bases. So you're going to do your lateral area, circumference times height, and then you're going to add in your 2 bases. If you like just finding a formula and plugging as regular numbers in, then these ones will be easier for you. But it doesn't work that way with other shapes. For circles, this formula will always stay the same, and this formula will always stay the same. So you're welcome to use it. But you can't just get used to that. You have to still know how to do it for other shapes as well. Okay, today and from now on, if a piece that you need is missing, you have to find it using Pythagorean theorem. Most commonly, occasionally you'll have to use the surface area. As soon as everyone's done writing, open up your pages so you can see both. And let's look at number 1. This should look familiar to you. It's the same shapes we did the volume on, but now we're going to focus on the surface area first. Okay, directions. Find the lateral and find the surface area. Surface area equals, what did I do the 2b first or the 2b last? 2b first, okay. 2 bases plus the perimeter times the height. Okay? In the formula, what capital letters, what things do we need? Base area and perimeter. So that's why last week I had you all the time drawing the base and finding the perimeter and the base area. Those are the two numbers that have to be plugged in. So let's start over here by the base. The base in this case, there's three possibilities. Let's just pick one. Let's choose this as our base right here. When they're all rectangles, it's random. You can pick any one you want. So let's make a base of 9 by 7. You need two things. You need capital B, just like we did on our homework, and we need capital P for perimeter. Those are the two things that have to be used for surface area. So base area for a rectangle is base times. For a rectangle, base area is what? Base times height, thank you. And the base is 9 and the height is 7, so we're going to have 16. Perimeter, how do you find the perimeter of a rectangle? You give me the answer already? How do you find the perimeter? Out of all the sides, right? So, we have a 9 and a 7, but that's not it. We have a 9 and a 7 and a 9 and a 7. 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. 16 plus 16. I calculated 32. Does that sound right to you? 14 plus 18. Tell me if I'm wrong. Okay, so now that we have B, please double check me on that. Use your calculator. And now that we have P, we can take those two numbers and plug them in. Add up 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. Early for me too, I could have added it wrong. So the surface area equals 2 times capital B. Capital B stands for base area. And what number do I plug in right there? 63. Put that in the formula. Perimeter. What could I use for the capital B? 32. Good. Now be careful. The height is not on the base. It's not this base's height anymore. It's the height of the prism. From one base to the other. 14 in this case. Good. So you go from the base and you go to the height. That'd be 14. So now all you have to do is cut it out. You have to find the base area, the perimeter of the area, and you plug it in. 2 times 63, I'm thinking 126. Is that right? I don't know 32 times 14. Let's do 2 times 14. What is it? What is it? 438. 448. Thank you. Now add the 126 to that. 574. Thank you. And that's surface area, guys. I know it's a three-dimensional shape, but it's not volume. It's surface area. It's a bunch of flat surfaces added together, so it's feet squared. So we use the word area. Feet squared. Okay, let's try a couple more to make sure you got the idea. This rainy, cold, dreary Monday. Anyone still writing? Alright, number 2. Alright, so since we know it's all about finding the base, let's start with the base this time. It's all about the base area and the base perimeter. So redraw the base and put the numbers in there. This time though, we're not just doing capital B, we have to do perimeter as well. This is 5. We get that from right here. This is what? 12, so that goes right here. How would I find this? How do I find this one? If I don't know it? Diagram theorem, good. I'm going to call that X. So it's x squared, that's the hypotenuse, equals 5 squared plus 12 squared. Find that out right now. Some of you might start to have them memorized. 25 plus 144 and take the square root of that. What do we get? 13. Okay. So that goes right here. That is going to help us find the perimeter when we need it. 5 squared plus 12 squared and then take the square root. Okay. So the capital B, base area, is the base times height divided by 2. It's a triangle. Base times height divided by 2. So that would be 12 times 5 divided by 2. And that would be 60 divided by 2, or 30. That's a 5 right there. No, divided by 2. Triangle. Divided by 2. Alright, and for perimeter. Perimeter is the easiest one. You add up all the sides, 5 plus 12 plus 13. And as a coincidence, it comes out to be the same thing. We'll do all the labeling at the very end. It will not always come out to be the same thing. It only occasionally does. Okay, so look back at the other page, and I'm not going to write it out this time. You tell me. Formula for the total surface area, and then at the end we'll go and find the lateral part. For the surface area, what goes first? 2 bases plus perimeter times the height. Good, so now we'll plug it in. 2 times base area. We found the base area right here. This base area, turn off. This base area is 30. Plus the perimeter, guys. 30 again. Good. And the height has to go from one base to the other. It is not from top to bottom. 18. Excellent. It is not the 5. That is on the base. The height goes from one base to the other base. And that length is 18. So we're now going to add all this together. We get 18. Do PEMDAS, please. 60. Do all your multiplication before you add 60 plus, that's 540, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. And that equals 600 meters squared. Correct me if I'm wrong. I saw that in my head. Right? Okay. Now, that is surface area. Okay? Surface area. Let's figure out the lateral area part. Let's go back to the first part. I didn't do that either. Which part of this formula has the bases? The first part or the last part? Where do you see the bases? In the first part of the formula or the last part of the formula? The first part. That's the base. So in order to do the lateral part, you want this part right here. Perimeter times height. So if you look right here, which one represents only the lateral part? No bases included. 540. Good. So the lateral area is the 540. You just take away the bases. You guys concentrating? Okay, that's all you do. If you do the regular formula, if you want to go back and find the lateral area, you just go back and ignore the bases. So these are your two answers then right here. Surface area, the total would be 600. The lateral area would be everything that is equal to the bases. And if you look on your formula sheet, this is the lateral part, perimeter times height. Alright, I forgot to do that for number 1, so really quickly look back up at the top. For number 1, the surface area we got was 574. But when you look at that formula right there, which part, the 126 or the 448, which one of those is the lateral and ignores the bases? 126 is 2b, that's the basis. So it's the other one. The lateral is 448. Okay, the lateral is the part that has no b's in it, no capital B's, no bases. So we just do the perimeter times the height. Alright, let's do this one together. But notice it says to leave answers in terms of pi. So that means we're not going to use the pi button in our calculator. We're going to leave the pi as part of our answer. So let's start off with the bases. Capital B, the base is a circle. wait for a second. Okay, so for this base, we need a capital B for base area, and we need the P for perimeter, or really in a circle, it's called circumference. So you can just call it C if you want, and use the same thing. Alright, so the capital B is pi r squared. Notice, they want it in terms of pi. So all we have to do is find the radius. Radius is 8, so it's pi times 8 squared. Do your exponents first for PEMDAS. 8 squared is 64. 64 times pi is our base area. You might not have this one memorized yet, but you do have it in the front of your notes if you need it. Does anybody know the circumference? How it's different than the area? 2 pi r, good. It's the one that doesn't say squared. Area is always the one that's squared. So it's 2 times pi times 8. Make sure everyone gets this. Why am I using a C instead of a P? Because it's a circle and that's the word for going around the circle. Okay, it's the same as the perimeter of a circle. So that's 16 pi. Now all we have to do is go back and put it into the formula. The surface area equals 2 bases plus the perimeter or circumference times the height. 2 times the bases plus the circumference times the height. So the capital B, without capital base, we did it right here. That is 64 pi. 64 pi. And circumference. What's the circumference? Plug it in, 16 pi, good. And then we have the height. Be careful about the height. It has to go from base to base. It can't just be from top to bottom all the time. What's the distance between the two circles? Okay, now they told us to leave it in terms of pi, so I'm going to do that. 2 times 64 is 128 pi. That's the bases. And then 160, 10 times 16, 160 pi, that's the lateral part. That's the part that doesn't have any bases. That's the lateral part. So the total, 881, right? 188 pi. Please correct me Monday morning. I'm doing this all in my head. I just had it. The 128 plus the 160. You add these two together because they're like. I just wrote it in there. Alright, so that's your answer in terms of pi. Now, what would the lateral part be? That's the surface area. Surface area equals 288 pi. And it's inches squared because it's a lot of flat surfaces. But what would the lateral area be? Excellent. The part that doesn't have the bases in it. Okay, so when you start seeing these problems all mixed together, you can choose if you want to do the lateral part first or if you want to do the lateral part last. That'll be up to you. A square, good. Because it's a cube. A cube has all squares for their bases. So the base is going to be a square. Every edge length is 15, so it's 15 by 15. I don't feel like drawing a cube. This is too much for me today. So you have to add more lines. Alright, So stop the other conversations, please, and get this. Then you can have your conversations. Alright, so the base of the square, 15 times 15, what do you get? 225. Perimeter, 15 plus 15? Plus another 15 and another 15. Good, so it's 60. Alright, surface area equals, what do I put first? 2 bases plus perimeter times height. You guys do not have to have this memorized. It will be on a formula sheet, but you have to know how to use it. You have to know what the capital B is and what the capital P is. So now plug it in. 2 times base area is 225.